In this video, we will learn how to generate a Shadcn code with the plugin. I will suggest you first of all open a Shadcn Studio Figma file with the Figma tool. We already mentioned 6 major steps over here to generate a code. We will check that one by one. First of all, select your design. Choose a frame, component or instance that you have to convert into code. Let's jump into the Figma. Here are the frame that I have to convert into code. Select the frame. Let's move to the next section. Open Figma plugin. Click on the plugin section. Find the Shadcn Studio Figma plugin and run it. Simply click to generate a Shadcn code and then add a variant. As of now, I am generating a web variant, so I click onto the web frame. Monitor token usage. In a plugin, you will get estimated number of tokens that you use for the code generation. Make sure we didn't suggest you to generate a heavy and a long page because the AI model used too much tokens for that, and also it will take too much time to generate. So I will suggest you to generate code each section one by one. Verify API setup. If you don't set up API key in the plugin, make sure check out my previous video how to set up Figma plugin. And the last step is click onto the generate code. The AI will take some time to generate code. Now the code is generated. You can simply copy the code and use into your real project. I will show you how to use the code in a real project. Now open the code editor. I am using the Visual Studio Code as of now. I am pasting the code in page.txt file. Now open the terminal, go to the terminal, click on new terminal, write command nr and hit enter. Then run a dev. Now our localhost is ready to check. Let's go to the browser, open a new tab, write localhost :3000 and hit enter. And your block is ready. It's that simple. You don't write code from the scratch, just use our plugin and simply generate any kind of block in just few seconds.